Sakubona, let me teach you how to ask for things at the shop, right? So when you're shopping around and you want to speak to the people that are there in Ndebele, right? You want to ask for something if it's the kind of shop where you need the shopkeeper to pass you something, or you want to point at something, ask for the price. So I'll also teach you how to negotiate your way around the buying and selling process. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you say is either, obviously, you greet the people, Salibonani, right? Ngicela, may I have, or ngifuna. You can use ngicela or ngifuna. Ngifuna means I want this or I want that. Okay. For example, if you are buying everyday items, normal groceries, right? You would be like, ngifuna iseba. I want soap. Or ngifuna ichukela. I want sugar. Ngifuna amatamatis. I want tomatoes, right? If you want to use ngicela, ngicela isinkwa. May I have bread? Okay? Ngicela amafutha. Ngicela isawudo. All right. That's how you get in there initially to say, may I have this or I want this. All right. So, whilst you are doing that, normally you want to ask the price, right? So the general way to ask that would be, malini? That means how much is it? So that's you generalizing to say for anything, you can just say malini, whether it's ichugela, isinkwa, isepa, or whatever, right? But if you want to ask individually now, you want to say how much is soap, how much is cooking oil, how much is sugar, right? Here's how you're going to say it. Isepa, you say yimalini isepa. Okay, how much is soap? Yimalini amafutha. How much is oil? Yimalini amatamatis. How much are the tomatoes? Yimalini isinkwa. What are you asking about? Bread, right? Yimalini chugela? The sugar. And then yimalini isawudo. How much is salt? All right. Here's the thing. Sometimes, whilst you are in the process of buying, you get perhaps there are many different types of soaps, many different types of ichugela, right? So here's what you're going to say. If it's something you can hold, right? Like you want to say, how much is this sugar, right? You're going to say, yimalini ichugela leli, right? And if it's maybe on the other side, you want to point at it. Yimalini ichugela leliana, all right? That's how you go about it. Yimalini isinkwa less. How much is this bread? Yimalini isinkwa lesiyana. How much is that bread? Okay. For tomatoes, yimalini amatamatis lawa. Okay? Yimalini amatamatis lawana. Okay. Yimalini amafutha lawa. This particular one. Yimalini amafutha lawana. What else did we have an example? Yimalini isawudo leli. Yimalini isawudo leliana. Leliana ke. That's how you navigate. Leliana yimalini. Leliana yimalini. Okay. Yimalini sepa lei. Yimalini sepa leyana. Leyana ke. All right. Ask your prices like that. Now, sometimes you want to describe something as big or small so that they understand which one you're talking about, right? For example, you would say, imalini isepa encane. How much is the small soap? Imalini isepa enkulu, the big one, right? Imalini amafutha amancane, the smaller cooking oil bottle. Imalini amafutha amakhulu. Angitsho. For tomatoes, you will probably say how much are these, the many ones or the few ones, right? Imalini amatamatis lawa amanengi. How much are these ones, the many ones? Imalini amatamatis lawa amaluchwane. Right, and then they'll tell you the prices. Okay, so let me also teach you how to use some basic colors in Isindebele. So for example, you're shopping around for clothes, right? So we've said you can either say ngifuna, I want, ngicela, may I have. There's also another verb you can use, which is ngidinga. Ngidinga means I am looking for. All right. So let's use it. If you're looking for, let's say, a particular pair of shoes, right? You're going to say ngidinga izicathulo ezimhlophe. I am looking for white shoes. Kumbe ngidinga izicathulo ezimnyama. I'm looking for black shoes. All right? Ngidinga izicathulo ezibomvu. I'm looking for red shoes. Okay? What about the trousers? Ngidinga ibhulukwe elimnyama. Ngidinga ibhulukwe elimhlophe. White, right? Ngidinga ibhulukwe elibomvu. I'm looking for a red trousers. Angisho. And if you're looking for a dress, you're going to do the same thing. Ngidinga isigqoko esimhlophe. Looking for a white dress. Ngidinga isigqoko esimnyama. I'm looking for a black dress, right? Ngidinga isigqoko esibomvu. I'm looking for a red dress. How about a green one? Ngidinga isigqoko esiluhlaza. Angisho. Kumbe ngidinga isigqoko esikhulu, a big dress. Ngidinga isigqoko esincane. That's how you talk to those people and communicate your way in the shopping process ngesindebele. Angisho. How about ngidinga isikhwama esimhlophe? What are you looking for? You're looking for a white bag, right? Ngidinga isikhwama esimnyama. It's a what? Black bag. Ngidinga isikhwama esibomvu. Red. What about green? Ngidinga isikhwama esiluhlaza. All right. Awesome. Negotiation time, right? So they tell you the price is $30, but you want to only pay $25. How do you go about that speaking in Ndebele? So they tell you you've asked imalini $30. So here's what you can say. Mina ngile 25. I have 25. Kumbe mina ngiphethe i-25. I'm carrying $25, right? You can also say ngicela ungehlisele. Could you bring the price down for me? Kumbe ngicela i-discount, right? I'm asking for a discount. So some other phrases you're going to hear in that process or in the process of paying and getting change, they might say to you, yengeza $2 phezulu. What are they saying? Add $2 on top, right? Or awula dollar. Don't you have a dollar? Maybe they want you to just add another $1. You know, they're giving you the discount, but they want you to add $1. Awula dollar. You respond and say, Nandi. Here is the $1, or ngilalo, I have it. If you don't have it, you say angila. Angicho. I hope this has been helpful. Let me see you in the next lesson.